Hello. In this video, we will examine the time zone indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator helps us to have the trading session times on the chart and to see which sessions are currently active. It also displays the server time and the local time of the region we are in. The first line shows the local time of the region we are in, both date and house time.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
The second line is the New York session time. The third line is the London session time. The fourth line is the Tokyo session time. The fifth line is the Sydney session time. And finally, it shows us the server time. Let's go through the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the time zone we are in, which for Tehran is UTC plus 3.5. So we enter 3.5 here. The next option is the font with which this information is displayed, and we can enter our desired fonts. The next option is the font size, which the larger it is, the larger these will be displayed. The next option is the color we have for these. The next option is the color for the markets that are open. For example, right now the Sydney market is open and we are in the Sydney session. That's why it is displayed in red, which we can specify here. Whenever any of these sessions are open, they are displayed in red or the color we specify here. The next option, the corner where this information is plotted. If it's 0, it's at the top left, and if it's 1, it's at the bottom left. It only has these two states. The next option is the horizontal distance. And the more we increase this value, the more the data moves to the right. And the next option is the vertical distance. And the more we increase this value, the more it moves downward. The last option, if it's true, this data is displayed as a background and cannot be selected. But if it's false, it can be selected. You can also easily and efficiently use the MT4 version of this indicator seamlessly on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.